The 5 essentials for creating a good gaming video in 2024 right now. Let's get straight into the point, bro. So number 1 is video idea. When you actually know what sort of video idea you have in mind, whether it be like a montage, a speed run, challenge run, whatever it may be, you kind of know like in what sort of pacing and ways you should edit. So I know a lot of people like to do like let's plays, and a lot of people are usually tired nowadays. You see the generic Minecraft let's play, and let's say instead of doing a normal playthrough, you actually add a little twist on it by like every new day you're forced to like burn your house on some shit, you know, you understand what I mean. And there's then ways here for you to decide on how to build up certain moments and the ways you should edit and not sort of have like an empty space. I'm not really against a lot of going with the flow, since that's usually what I did and how I kind of got my own editing style, but it wasn't just from that. But let's not forget the second essential for creating a good gaming video, which is subtitles. Now I know for this video I'm probably gonna have subtitles the entire time, but on my main channel, my gaming channel, if you want to check that out, it's in the description below as well. I usually like to do subtitles in the beginning of the video, which increases the chance of the viewer to stay watching the video and kind of get hooked immediately, since everybody, bro, people's attention span is fucking like so dog shit, bro. I'm being serious with you. I'm sorry for like swearing and shit, but like they're literally like brain dead. Like TikTok's getting worse, shorts is just getting even more popular now. You know, iPad kids is growing up in this generation, so you gotta try to optimize it, but you don't gotta go full on like crazy edit mode where to the point where your eyes hurt and you're asking yourself, what am I even making at this point? But even though you got the video idea and subtitles, what would it be without sound effects, bro? I'm telling you, this really does make certain things pop out, whether it be like a punch or like the pop up with the subtitle or maybe an image here and there. You see what I mean? And that's way more life to what's going on screen. Like you can see how like sort of stale and different it is by just doing this, right? And also one tip I have on my own is try to like find like sound effects from shows and animes or whatever your interest is, because I know a lot of my sound effects that I use in my videos is literally from these like fucking animes, bro. I don't know if you got some shows you love to watch, let's just say Naruto for example, and you know like the Kaguya no YouTube sound effect, like oh let me actually download that, use that for my videos. There's gonna be a chance of your viewer actually knowing where that's from too, and like hey, you probably watching Naruto or some shit, which gets this sort of connection as well by just that sound effect alone. Like trust me, especially when it comes to music as well, which is the 4th essential. Now one thing that I will learn is try to use music that most people haven't heard. Like you can still use songs that sound pretty fucking dope, like the fucking, let's just say the Sonic Forces theme with the Eggman battle or whatever, like the that shit goes hard too, bro, I'm not gonna lie. But you can also try to find some like underground, let's just say like a Undertale fan game boss remix, like you get what I mean. Like it's very like niche down and it's something people might not have heard before, which then sets you in this position when you like blow up and everything and you had these like sort of unique themes and like different sort of soundtracks. People will be like, oh that sounds like a kelvistrike video, or that sounds like a Markiplier beat. You know what I'm saying? Because like you kind of set this sort of tone in your videos by the sort of music you choose, which actually sets you apart. Like I think music is really underrated, because I try my best to like use music people haven't heard a lot, especially whether it be like I'm playing like a horror game video and I'm using like a Pokemon theme. Like people in that sort of horror game niche might not have heard that shit before, you get what I mean? But this is the last 5th essential pillar, which pretty much decides it all, bro. Personality. Whether you're editing for somebody but you're most likely trying to edit for your own channel, the best way for you to find your style and make a good video is edit around your personality. This is something I've done for a very long time, and I can just say that probably one of the best ways to make an authentic video to you as well. I know I'm a hype guy, I like to make jokes. I have like such goof shit. Like I have like a whole, let's just say, anime forum that I call like the Genesis forum, and I remember on stream like I used to make these like crazy like gestures and scream like but even though it may look cringe at the moment and on stream, I know for a fact that when I edit I can make it look 10 times cooler and actually serious while giving off another vibe. And even if I'm making a joke on stream or whatever it may be, I can build up to that joke and sort of edit around that as well, whether it be like in change of music or any sort of different screen effects. There's a whole lot of room to make different sort of edits. If you like this information, however, and want to fast track your video editing, make sure to check out my gaming video editing course in the description below. I honestly think it's gonna help like aspiring gaming YouTubers as you to really improve as an editor and make fucking sick videos you can genuinely be proud of. Especially when you hear comments of how people like literally adore and find your videos so unique, that's when you really know you made a good impact. If you want to check out my gaming channel as well, kelvistrike's in the description below. But without further ado, let's keep improving.